everyone and welcome to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School Khargone. I am Kritika Paliwal and you are studying English with me. So in the previous lecture we had started chapter number 10, that is a, and the. Okay, so in that lecture I told you about the uses of a, and the. Okay, but I guess in this lecture there is a need to revise it, right? So let's revise that first. For that, I would like you to open page number 45 of your first term Pansy book. Okay? So this is the English grammar class. And you are required to open page number 45 of your first term Pansy. Which page? Page 45 of your Pansy number 1. Okay. So, let's recall what we had studied in the previous lecture. The uses of a and n. Okay. So, with all the vowel sound words, what are vowels? A, E, I, O and U. So, with all the words beginning with these vowels, right? We use an. What is used? An is used. Alright. And with all the consonant sound words, with all the words beginning with the consonant sound, okay. With all the words beginning with a consonant sound, what do we use? We use a. Alright. And we use a and an with the singular words. Are you getting the thing? So, now consonants, I hope you know what are consonants. All the other alphabets except these 5 are known as consonants. Okay? So, with the vowel sound words, you have to use an. And with the consonant sound words, with the words beginning with the consonant sound, you have to use a. Now, let's look up the use of the. So there are 3 uses of the. Okay. Use of the. So we use the when we talk about a particular thing. Now in the previous lecture I told you about what a particular thing is. Okay, for example, if you are talking about some pen, you will write a pen. अगर किसी भी पेन के बारे में बात करें, you will write a pen. Okay, here it is not mentioned कि ये कोई एक particular pen है, ये कोई सा भी pen हो सकता है. But when you will use the before this, now you are talking here about a particular pen. Okay, for example, the pen which my mother bought for me, okay, or the pen which is my favorite, that is the particularity of a thing. Okay, when you use a or a, okay, that means there is no particularity in a thing. You are talking about anything, okay, any pen, but here you are talking about one particular pen. Okay, similarly, a girl, here you are talking about any girl. Here you are talking about any girl. Then when you will say the girl. Okay, so here you mean a particular girl. Okay, so a girl means any girl. Now the girl which is in my class. If I if I be a little particular about it, the girl which is in my class, the girl which is my classmate, or the girl which helps me every time. So you are talking about some particular girl here. So here with some particular things the is used. This is the first use of the. Then second use of the is okay, we use the with some unique things. Okay, that the things that are one and only in this world. For example, with this word sun, you always use the. With the word moon, Okay. Then with some rivers, mountain ranges, then oceans, seas, जो दुनिया में एक ही है, ठीक है, उनके जैसा और कोई दूसरा नहीं. जैसे मॉन्यूमेंट्स, अब जैसे मैं बात करूँ ताजमहल, तो whenever I will talk about ताजमहल, I will never say a Taj Mahal. I will always say the Taj Mahal. I went to the Taj Mahal in my holidays. Okay? So, the Taj Mahal. Okay, the Taj Mahal. Then, like the Ganga, when you are talking about some rivers, rivers are only one and only, there is only one river like Ganga, there is only one river named Ganga, there is only one river that is named as Yamuna, Saraswati, etc., right? So with the names of rivers also you use the. Okay, for example, the Ganga. Alright. So here is the another use of the. The is used with the unique things. Okay. Then the third use of the. वैसे in your exercise the use of the they have not asked for it, but like you are in class 2, you should be aware of the use of the, because people make a lot of mistakes while using the article the. What are a and the? What are these three words? These are called as articles. Okay, these are parts of speech. Now the third use of the, like for example, I am narrating a story like okay, for example, I wrote this sentence, there was a crow. Now I am talking about this crow here particularly. मैंने अभी एक ही बार crow का जिक्र किया, राइट? मैंने अभी एक ही बार crow के बारे में बताया. Before this you were not familiar with this crow, ठीक है? तो there was a crow, एक crow था, है ना? Now in the story what I will do, I will write the next line as the crow was thirsty. The crow was thirsty. Okay, the crow. Now you tell me the लिखा है मैंने इधर. Okay, I have used the. Why? Because जब भी हम किसी भी चीज के बारे में पहली बार बात कर रहे होते हैं हम a या an यूज करते हैं. बट जब हम किसी भी चीज के बारे में दूसरी बार या तीसरी बार या एक बार बात हो गई, बस उसके बाद we will use the with that thing. Okay, now because we are now familiar with this thing. Okay, we will not write a crow was thirsty, क्योंकि अब इधर that particularity. Here we were talking about some crow. Here we are talking about the same crow, right? So now this crow has become particular in this sentence. कि अब हम इस sentence में इसी crow की बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. That's why you have to use the with this. Okay, that's it. This is the third use of the. Now we are going to solve the exercise based upon a and the. Okay, for that you have to open page number 46 of your first term pencil. Please open page number 46 and don't get stressed or confused with the use of a and the. I will give you proper worksheets for this. Okay, and if there will be any doubt, you are free to ask me anytime. Now, please open page 46. There is an exercise. Question number A is fill in the blanks with A or N. So what you have to do? You have to fill the blanks with. Now you know na fancy one we are using. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Alright. There is dash bag on the table. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to fill up this blank with either A or N. So how you will figure it out? कैसे करेंगे इसको? Look at this word. Okay, just after this blank. So bag. Now it is beginning with a vowel sound or a consonant sound. You have to figure it out. Okay. Now B. What is it? Is it a vowel? Does it comes in the set of A, E, I, O and U? A, E, I, O, U are all vowels, right? B doesn't come in that set. So B is a consonant. So what you will write? With the consonants, what we use? We use A. So there is a bag on the table. Alright, then second sentence. We saw dash ostrich in the jungle. We saw dash ostrich in the jungle. Okay. So we saw dash ostrich. That means we have to look at this word to figure out whether we have to use A or N. So it is beginning with the O sound. Now what is O? Let's look at the vowels first. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O and U. O is coming in this set, right? So O is what? It's a vowel. And with the vowels we use N. So we saw an ostrich in the jungle. हमने जंगल में एक ostrich देखा. Okay. Third sentence. I have dash book. I have dash book. Now what you have to do? You have to look up this word just after the blank. So here B. What is B? Is it a vowel or a consonant? इधर भी हमने B के साथ डील किया था, इधर भी B है. What is B? It's a consonant, right? So with the consonants, what do we use? We use A. So now the sentence is like I have a book. मेरे पास एक book है ना? आपके पास लिख रहा है ना उसमें? Fourth sentence. She is dash intelligent. She is dash intelligent girl. Okay. अच्छा A and the को थोड़ा साइड में रख के can you tell me what is intelligent? I told you this in the last chapter that we had discussed. Intelligent is what? It's an adjective, right? ये girl को describe कर रहा है, girl की quality को describe कर रहा है कि girl कैसी है. Girl के बारे में हमें थोड़ा और पता चला है ना? With this word only. So this word intelligent is what? It is an adjective. Now let's come back to A and another. She is dash intelligent girl. Now we have to look up this particular letter to figure out whether we have to fill it up with A or N. So I. What is I? It doesn't comes under the set of vowels. Let's see. A, E, I, O and U. All these are vowels. I is coming. That means I is a vowel. And with vowels, what do we use? A or N? We use N. It is very simple, right? आपको सिर्फ ये figure out करते आना चाहिए कि कौन सा letter vowel है, कौन सा consonant है और बस the task is damn easy for you. Next is he is an honest man. Now here comes the main task. अच्छा, it might not be visible to you. Let me just fix the camera. Okay, now it is visible. So, he is dash honest man. He is dash honest man. Okay. अब बस यहाँ समझ लिया ना तो A और N में कभी गलती नहीं होगी. Okay, explain करते वक्त क्या बोला था मैंने? With the vowel sound words. Sound पर आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया होगा, right? With the vowel sound words, you have to use N. With the consonant sound words, you have to use A. ठीक है? यानी जिन words का sound करेंगे जिन वर्ड्स का साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट में आ रहा है, साउंड पर ध्यान देना, ठीक है। जिन वर्ड्स का साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट में आ रहा है उसके साथ हम ए यूज करेंगे, ओके। अब देखो, ही इज एन ऑनेस्ट। अब बेटा HONEST को हॉनेस्ट नहीं पढ़ते हैं, HONEST is read as honest. O sound is coming, it is read as honest. So O sound is coming. Now what is O? It's a vowel or a consonant? It is a vowel. All right. So honest. So with this word doesn't matter ये H जो है ये consonant है और consonants के साथ हम A use करते हैं, okay? हमें साउंड पे ध्यान देना है. We have to look up the sound of that. So honest, O sound आ रहा है. Just because of that we will use an here. ठीक है? ऐसे ही कुछ examples मैं बताती हूँ. First you complete this, then I will tell you. So he is an honest man. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay beta, you should not be taking this much time for this small thing. So I am getting aside. You can pause the video. Pause कर दो अगर ज़्यादा time लग रहा है. I am here aside. Okay. Okay. Now enough of it. Now let's move forward to question number B. Question number B. Question number B. Look at the pictures and the words. I am reading the question for you. Look at the pictures and the words. आपको जो नीचे दिए गए हैं पिक्चर्स भी देखना है और उन वर्ड्स को भी पढ़ना है. Now fill in the blanks with A or an. और अब उन पिक्चर्स को देख के, उन वर्ड्स को देख के आपको A और an जो भी आएगा उससे आपको वहाँ पर जो ब्लैंक है वो फिल अप करना है. Very easy task, right? So question number B. So you know I can make the pictures, okay, but yeah, it will take unnecessary time. So I am just writing the words for you. First word is stick. 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 Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to look up the vowel sound. The vowel sound is coming or a consonant sound is coming. So you have to look up at that. Stick. Okay. S sound is coming. Stick. S comes under the set of vowels or consonant. It comes under the set of consonants. So a stick. Second word. Orange. ORANGE. ओके बेटा, तो हम जैसे ऑरेंज पढ़ रहे हैं तो ओ साउंड आ रहा है. ओ साउंड इज कमिंग. ओ साउंड इज व्हाट? इट्स अ वोवेल साउंड, राइट? सो विद दिस साउंड ओ वी आर यूजिंग an orange. Then dash pear. PEAR pear. ठीक है. pear. So pear में what sound is coming? P sound is coming. P sound comes under the consonants, right? P is a consonant. So with consonants what do we use? A or an? We use A. So a pear. Okay, मेरे साथ ही आप लोग लिखते जाइए. Please write it along with me only. Dash arrow. 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 What? How do we read this word? Arrow. A sound is coming. Okay, just a minute. Arrow. Okay, this word is read as arrow. A sound is coming. Now A sound, it is what? It's a vowel or a consonant? It's a vowel. Now P is a consonant sound. Okay, this sound of plum, P sound. It's a consonant sound, so we will write a plum. Okay. Then dash monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. What sound is this? Monkey. Okay. M, M sound. M sound is a consonant sound. It is not a vowel sound, right? Vowels कौन से हैं? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So A, E, I, O, U sound is not here. Monkey, M, M sound. M sound is there. So it's a consonant sound. Therefore, a monkey. Then eagle. Eagle. Okay. E sound is there, na? So E is what? It's a vowel sound. So with vowels, what do we use? We use an with the vowels. So an eagle. Then pigeon. P-I. So pigeon. P sound is what? Is it a vowel or a consonant sound? It's a consonant sound. So a pigeon. Next is dolphin. Okay, beta, dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphin D sound. It is not a vowel sound. तो an नहीं use करेंगे इसके साथ. It's a consonant sound. तो we will use a. So a dolphin. Then ant. A-N-T, ant. Ant. Okay. A sound, right? Vowel or a consonant? It's a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. The first vowel. A. Ant, right? So an ant. Then dash snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. S sound is there. A-E-I-O-U sound is not there. So and we will not use. We will use a. A snake. Okay. Then dash crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L. Crocodile. Crocodile. So a crocodile or an crocodile. Crocodile. C. C sound. It is not in the vowels, right? It is a consonant sound. So what are we going to use? We are going to use a with it. A crocodile. ठीक है? Then an operator. अच्छा मैंने ही बोल दिया पहले. O-P-E-R-A-T-O-R. Operator. So बेटा operator. O-P-E-R-A-T-O-R. What sound is coming in the beginning? Operator. O sound. O sound comes under the vowels. So an operator. Then magician. M-A-G-I-C-I-A-N. Magician. Magician. M. M sound, na? It is a consonant sound. So what are we going to use? A magician. ठीक है, तो बेटा जो लास्ट रो बच गया है आपका एक्टर, कंप्यूटर, आउल, इरेजर एंड पेन, दैट इज योर होमवर्क टू डू. ओके, द लास्ट रो दैट इज रिमेनिंग इज योर होमवर्क टू डू. You have to do it and you have to send it to me so that I can see whether you have understood it or not. ठीक है, तो the last row is your homework. जो नीचे रो बच गई है, जो मैंने नहीं करी है, वो होमवर्क है. बाकी आप ये लिख लीजिए. I am getting aside. Okay, you can take a screenshot or pause the screen. So, well, I hope you have enjoyed this A and the sessions, and I hope you have enjoyed this chapter also, and more importantly you have understood this chapter, because understanding is more important, right? And if there are any doubts, I am there every time for you. So, we will meet meet in the next lecture with another exciting chapter like this. So be ready. We will be studying a grammar chapter only. So we'll meet at the same time, same place and same channel. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.